Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to make one beautiful and very easy baby blanket pattern together. This pattern is called star stitch pattern and it's very famous. I made that pattern with a worsted weight yarn and number 5mm hook. You can use any yarn for that. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and now start chaining. The number of chains should be a multiple of 2 plus 1. So make chains to reach the desired size and then start row 1. I made 31 chains and now start row 1 from second chain. Skip the first and insert hook into second chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again, insert hook into next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and repeat that for next 3 chains. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull a loop, insert hook into next chain and pick up a loop, and for last time insert hook into next chain and pull a loop. Now I have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them and then make a chain. This is the first star stitch and this chain 1 creates this star stitch eye here, this hole. Okay, now for next star stitch, insert hook into this hole, this eye, and yarn over, pull a loop, then pull up loop from this loop, the last loop of previous star stitch here, and pull up a loop, and then insert hook into this stitch, this chain, that's the last chain of previous star stitch here, and yarn over, pull a loop. Then go to next 2 chains and pick up a loop from each of them, 1 and 2. 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and then make a chain. Again, insert hook into this star stitch eye here, yarn over, pull a loop, insert hook into this loop, the last loop of previous star stitch, and pick up a loop and pick up a loop from the last chain of previous star stitch, and then insert the hook into each of next 2 stitches, 2 chains, and pick a loop. And now I have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them and make a chain. One more time. 1 loop from here, 1 loop from here, 1 loop from the last chain of previous star stitch, and 1 loop from next 2 chains, 1 and 2. Yarn over, pull through all loops, and 1 chain. We have to repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, now after last star stitch, I have 1 chain left. Make 1 half double crochet into that, yarn over, insert hook into last chain, and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, and row 1 is finished. Now start next row with 1 chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into first stitch here, okay, and then make 1 single crochet into this star stitch eye here. Then go to next star stitch eye and make 2 single crochet into that, 1 and 2. Again, go to next star stitch eye, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Make 2 single crochet into next star stitch eye, 1 and 2, and repeat that sequence and make 2 single crochet into each eye of star stitches of previous row. At the end, make 1 single crochet into this chain 1 space here. Before first star stitch, we have 1 chain 1, make 1 single crochet into that. Now row 2 is finished. Make 3 chains and turn the work. Insert the hook into second chain from the hook and pull a loop from that. Then insert the hook into third chain and pull a loop, and then pull up a loop from each of first 3 stitches of previous row. Here 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through, and make a chain. The first star stitch in this row is placed at top of the first star stitch of 2 rows below. Now repeat that work and make another star stitches. Insert hook into this eye, pull a loop, pull a loop from last loop of previous star, pull a loop from last stitch of previous star, and pull a loop from next 2 stitches of previous row. Yarn over and pull through all loops, make a chain, and continue until the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And make a chain and repeat that work till the end of the row. After last star stitch, make 1 half double crochet into last stitch, the same stitch as the last loop of last star stitch. Okay, yarn over, insert hook into the last stitch and make 1 half double crochet. Then make a chain, turn the work, and repeat row 2. Make 1 single crochet into first stitch, that's a half double crochet. Then make 1 single crochet into first star stitch eye here, and make 2 single crochet into next eyes of star stitches. And continue until the end. At the end, make 1 single crochet into this chain 1 space before first star stitch, and row 4 is finished. And for next row, row 5, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn the work, and repeat row 3. Insert hook into second chain, pull a loop from the third chain, and pull a loop from each of first stitches of previous row. 1, 2, 3, and yarn over, pull through all loops, and then make a chain and make next star stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and continue that work until the end. And after that, we have to repeat those 2 rows, row 2 and row 3. These 2 rows should be repeated until the height of this pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows, and you can see the star stitch pattern completely. This is the front view of that, and this is the back view of that. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and leave a comment. Have a nice day.